Alright, we're here in Elfin Forest. It's a cool name for a hike. Yeah, no motorized vehicles, dogs on a leash. So we're gonna go up to the top of that mountain, I believe, and record stuff as we go. So let's do this hike. Dude, Cooney stole the money. Guess you can donate. Our $215,000. We need $3,500 more. Okay, we're gonna go head up to the top of this mountain. It's a really cool river here. It's pretty. We'll check that out later when we get down. I'm not really sure where this water comes from. It's real pretty here. Oh, hello. Got a spider. Alright, so that's the pretty part, but we'll check that out later. But we want to go to the top of the mountain. And away we go. I think it's 6 mile round trip. Almost 7. But we got this. Okay, so I'm not going to bore you with a whole bunch of hiking up this mountain. If anything cool comes up, we will show it to you. Alright, we're working our way up the mountain. It's kind of steep. I know they close this trail in the summer because it gets too hot. Alright. I'm out of breath already. I don't get any ticks on me this time. Alright, we're still climbing. Sorry, Dobbs. We do have the Dobbs with us. There she is. So we gotta get to the top of that. It's quiet. Okay, here's one part. Trail leads to the I can't remember, the creek. That's the creek way. And we can go down that way when we get back. Botanical loop. It's all by the river and a bunch of flowers and stuff. But we're going to the ridge. Going up. It's about 73 degrees. Slight breeze. So that's good if you want to read that. We're in Escondido, I believe. Alright, we're almost to the plateau. Thank God for flat ground. It's hot. Okay, we're at the crossroads. We got Lake Hodges Overlook, which we're not going that way. Ridgetop Picnic Area, we're gonna check that out. Ray Brooks Overlook is where we're going. And staging area and all that stuff. So we're gonna go down here and see if we can see the lake. We got a little picnic area here. I want to haul up a bunch of drinks and food. So we got a porta potty. They actually have dog bags in there. Surprise. A bunch of little picnic area in the shade. says. Ridgetop picnic area. You can't see the lake. So, those are all the plants you can see. Birds. Oh, look at him. I would love to see a mountain lion from a distance. Tarantula hawk. They're mean. Coyotes. I want to see one of these again. Horned lizards. Those things are so neat. Alright, let's go down here and check out the Lake Hodges. You can go down to the lake, but that's the other side. I don't want to go down that way. I want to go up. Well, I guess you can't see the lake anymore. Oh, poop. Well, the lake's there. Just can't go to it. Alright, well, I'm sure once we get up the mountain we'll be able to see it. And if not, we will go the other way and go to the overlook. What else we got to do? Apparently I'm an idiot. It's not even Lake Hodges. It's Olivine Reservoir. Learn something new every day. And we are in Elfin Forest, I know that. Huh. Damn. Alright, these are pretty cool. So if you have your bike and stuff, you can fix your bike real quick. I think it even has air somewhere on there. So that's pretty neat. Alright. We're off to see the wizard. Ready, Dobbs? Alright, we made it where we wanted to be. Top of the mountain. This thing's cool. So this is a memorial for all the dogs that used to hike this trail. People just bring up their collars and leave them on this post. In love and memory of our loyal and faithful friends and companions. Jesus. Hercules, James, Kylie. He had his rabies shot. Gus. Oh, look, a water bowl. Want some water, Dog? That's cool. They left that up there. Chloe. And then we got a couple places to sit in the shade. Still can't see the reservoir. But you can see the view from over here. A lot of bugs. Wow, how would you like to live on top of that hill? Alright, well, we're gonna chill for a minute, let Dobby out of the pack, get some air, and start heading back. Alright, you see the reservoir? Kinda. Zoom in a little bit. There's the dam. And there's the reservoir. Yay. Alright, we're gonna go down to the river, and if anything cool shows up, I'll stop and record it, but till then we're gonna go down to the stream. That's what it's yeah. There's a better picture of the dam. I think that's where we came from. I don't know. Well, we'll go down there. The weirdest things you run into. Somebody's artwork. Anybody know what that means? It's like a fireplace or something. Oh, there's another picture of the dam. I don't know if this is Lake Hodges or not, because the sign says overlook to Lake Hodges, and that thing says reservoir or whatever that name was. So I don't know where we are. I think we were over there before. I don't know. We're just gonna call this Lake Hodges. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. It's pretty though. Nobody's out on the lake. We just came down from there and we're gonna go that way. Not a real hard hike at all. So if you're ever up here and want to go to Elfin Forest, come on down. It's not that bad. I'll save the best for last. This is interesting. So the biggest one is the California condor, then the turkey vulture, then the red-shouldered hawk, and the American kestrel, and a hummingbird. That's the wingspans. That's huge. Are they bigger than a bald eagle? Alright, so we're going down here. This is the nature walk. Yeah, I don't know. It's all weeds to me, but hopefully they'll have an opening down here and we can relax a little bit and then head out of here. Poor dogs. Well, here's the crossing. I forbid to put a bridge. People and animals aren't allowed in the water. Let's go to the middle. Oh crap. I wouldn't even want to go in that water. You'd probably slip and slide. Well, right there would be good. It's so hot. Alright, we're going to kick it for a little bit here. Take in the scenery and the sounds. Does anybody know what that is? Is it like animal? I can't get real close. What the heck is that? Hair? Yikes. Anyway. There's the stream. Probably touch it. I'm poking it. I don't know what the heck that is. It's gross. It's like hair. That's nasty. Bigfoot. See if they make it. Oh, they can stop right there. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Elfin Forest hike. I'm not sure if you like hikes, but something to do. And we're here at this awesome little place. It's cool under the tree, and we're gonna kick it for a little bit and then head back, get something to drink because I'm thirsty and water ain't cutting it. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.